Hello friends, welcome to Fieldstoid. In today's video, we are showing you how to prepare a hair oil to prevent hair fall. This is prepared using all the ingredients available in home. So let's quickly get started. Friends, before we start, I would like to explain you what are the ingredients are required to prepare this hair oil. These are methi seeds. This is a hibiscus flower, hibiscus leaf, aloe vera, curry leaf, onion, garlic, and an hair oil. This is a coconut hair oil. So now we'll be showing you the simple steps to prepare a hair oil. This will give you complete remedy for your hair fall and it enriches the hair growth. So now what we are going to do is keep the coconut oil over a stove and heat it for some time. Now start adding the ingredients. I'm adding onion, curry leaf, aloe vera slices, and a garlic. So let this content get boiled for some time. Along with this, you should also add hibiscus leaves, methi seeds, and hibiscus flower petals. As you can see, now you have to boil this complete ingredients in a low flame for until this gets turned into a brownish color. So here we are keeping a low flame, okay, and we are boiling it now. So keep boiling. It will take another 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So just close the lid and leave it for some 15 to 20 minutes. Friends, now we have boiled it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Here you can see the ingredients are completely boiled, okay, and it's looking almost like yellowish in color. So now it's a time to turn off the gas stove and let it cool for some time. Once it gets cooled off, so you can see the oil will be accumulated at the bottom and the ingredients will come on top. So you just have to take it out later and start applying. So now what we will do is we'll close this lid and let it cool for some time. We'll come back after this and show it to you how it looks. So friends, now almost 20 minutes are over. So let us see how the oil looks. Okay, as you can see, the oil gets collected at the bottom and this residual things will come up like this. Now what you need to do is this hair oil, what you are seeing, is very good for health and it enriches your hair growth and also it improves the colors to your hair. Okay, so now what you need to do is you just need to filter out this residual thing and keep the oil and start using it on a daily basis or whenever you require. So this is how we are filtering, okay, and whatever this residual content is there, no, so that part you don't waste it, rather you can still apply to your hair and it will give more proteins, energy to your hair. So this is how the final content looks and this much oil we have collected.